came to the car. Basically, key card not working. I need to call to the customer and ask him to open the door.
Hiya.
Hi, sorry for disturbing. Would you mind open your door, please? Because the key not working.
Is it not working? Because because I've disconnected the phone. Wait, whilst you're on the phone, I'll see if I can disconnect it.
Yeah, please.
Is it still not open yet?
Not yet. No, hold on. I'll check the card again.
You put it up just on the side. You know, like the side where just underneath where the
Yeah, you know between the doors.
it's in between the doors.
Yeah. I know the place, but it's not working yet.
It's not working yet. Well, okay. I'm literally. Well, luckily I didn't walk away, so I'll come now and see if we can open it.
Yeah.
I don't know why it's not working.
Nice one. Thank you.
I'll be there. I'll be there.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. This is latest technology. However, key not work. Even he can't operate from the phone. Anyway, he's on the way. Yeah, it's locked now. Yeah, come back. Yeah. No, again not working. Yeah, see, again stuck. No, app also frozen. We don't know what to do now. App not working, key not working. We struggle nearly now 15 minutes here. Yeah, it's work. However, it's open.